Welcome to Found We Do TV. Today we're bringing you a video about this fireplace, and what we're doing is finally adding some crown molding up there to the top. And this is a continuation of a series of where we whitewashed this fireplace, we built this hidden storage compartment mantle, installed this TV, installed this blue wall behind there. Now we have a lot of challenges here with this wall. First of all, the height, 16 feet to the top, okay? We have an angle that we have to deal with, which is very complicated. If you're doing any kind of crown molding up 16 feet and you're dealing with angles, it's really difficult. We also needed to come out about 8 to 9 inches to cover up because we had these existing brick columns that were here, okay? And they basically messed up the ceiling. The other thing, and the biggest thing, is that we have no structure to attach to up in the ceiling. So this is a big problem, right? Because we're coming out 9 inches. We need that piece to be sucked up to the wall. So we had to get pretty inventive here. So what we did is we built basically everything on the ground. What we had to do is to do a million trips up and down this ladder. And the way we did it to basically get our measurements is we would take let's say a screw, right? And we would put it directly where we were trying to take the measurement from. So let's say we're trying to measure from this corner all the way up there, right? We'd put a screw in that corner, hook our tape measure to it, and then I would climb up here and measure. All right, so that's one way we were able to get the measurements. It's really difficult because it's high. What we did then, translated all those measurements down to the ground, and we came up with this little header piece, all right? So if you can imagine, this is actually the ceiling here, and we have nothing to attach this to. So we had to kind of come up with a little bit of we had to kind of think outside the box. So what we did is we created like this L, and we attached this piece, this is all one piece now, to this piece. And this is actually going to be the part that attaches to structure. Now I think that's going to be good enough, but we're going to have to go one step further, and we're going to glue it as well, which I hate to do this in case we have to take it down. We're going to have a really big issue up there, but there's no really other option. And what we're using is this 0-second instant grab glue, okay? So really probably if we're going to put the glue on the bottom, put it on the back here and shove it up there, it probably would just hold. But what I did was I pre-started a few screws, okay? These will be hidden because what we're gonna do is we're gonna build this out so that this actually has structure to kind of sit on. This will be the first one. So we're gonna go shove this up there, run a couple screws in, and then we're gonna have to come back and we have a couple more trim pieces that we're gonna add to this to build this out. Basically what we're trying to do is build kind of like a ledge that this can sit on the ceiling so that it's wider, all right? So these will be covered, right? These screws will be covered up by that one. And then eventually we'll finish it with this cove molding right here, okay? That'll be the last piece we put on. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we got a bunch of buoys. We're gonna basically kind of glue this up, and in one very organized, choreographed activity, we're going to quickly install this, and then quickly install this. And then this will be afterwards. But we have to basically get this kind of all put up there pretty quickly. Very custom install, but I'm hoping this maybe just gives someone an idea to think outside the box. Possibly you can use this solution. Let's,
All right, now duck down. Duck down. You got it, Dad.
Nothing to be scared of.
Now go towards you.
The piece is up there, all right? The only thing that I'm not excited about is the overhang. So if you look at the overhang over here and you look at the overhang up there, because of the angle, it's actually just, it looks longer because it is longer up there. And I wish I would have compensated that down on the ground and cut that a little bit shorter. Maybe something to point out to you, compensate for that if you have some kind of angle like this. But we really like it. We like the wood inlay. Basically, it matches our mantle that we built, that we shared on the channel. It matches this wall that we built and shared on the channel with the LED lights. All of this, or how to do this, is actually all shared on the channel. All right, so I hope this gave you an idea. Basically, we put it up there, filled all the holes, painted everything again, and this is where we are. All right, so I'm gonna ask you, like this video, please leave me a comment. If you have any questions, you're doing something like this, just leave me a comment down below. I'll try to respond. Everything we did in this room was shared on the channel. Whitewashing of the brick, insulation of the fireplace, insulation of this entire blue wall, insulation of the TV, the Sonos, insulation of this, the mantle, insulation of this wall. Again, everything was shared on the YouTube channel. Even converting this from a triple pane to a single door with 2 windows was shared. That was a window before. That's also on the YouTube channel. So I have a lot of content out there. I hope maybe some of it will be, maybe some of it will be helpful for you. That's why I'd ask you to subscribe to the channel. I'm Mike, Family Dog TV, and I'm out.